Today we talk about how can you disable notifications on your Redfin app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down here, you click on my Redfin, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step. It's going to show for you like this. Click on app notifications. You just click on it here. You come to next step. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to and subscribe from app notifications. Click on it. Like you say, notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.